we have to use is sticky notes, scissor, glue, stone stickers and origami sheet. So now we are going to make origami pencil. For this we need a sheet of paper, fold it into half and cut it into rectangular pieces. Like that. Now take one piece, fold it like that and just follow me. Our origami pencil is ready. Now we are going to make this paper wheel. For this, here sticky notes. Take one sheet of sticky note. Now fold it into triangle. Open it and now again fold it from the other side. Now take the scissors and cut the lines. Leave some gap at the center. Apply glue at one end and stick it like that. Repeat the same. Like this, paste all the side. Now take stickers of your choice and paste it in the center. Our paper wheel is ready. So now we are going to make this paper bow. For this I am taking again sticky notes. This also we will do the same. Fold a triangle. Open it. Again fold from the other side. Open it. Cut it from the lines. Leave some gap at the center. Now cut the top triangle and now cut from the down. Leave some gap here. Now take glue and paste them like that. Do the same other side. Like that, paste it. Now take sticker and paste at the center. Our bow is ready. Now we are going to make this paper shirt. For this we need a sheet. Cut it into right angles. Fold it and cut it. Now take one piece, fold it into half, open it, fold it again till the line in the center. From the other side do the same. Now from one side just pull this end out and press like that. Now on the other end we will make collar. For this hold it like that and fold it. Now take this end and fold it like this. Paste it. Paste it, and now we will add details with black sketch pen. First make a line in the center, then make the pocket, then add buttons. Our paper shirt is ready. So now we are going to make these paper fans. For this we need a sheet, fold it into half and cut it. Now take a sheet, fold it into half, again its half and then again its half. Open it. Now fold it like a zigzag. Do the same with the other one. Like that, fold the both. Now take one and fold it into half. Take glue, paste them from the center. Applying glue and paste it all. After pasting, it will look like this. Now our paper fans are ready. You can make so many of them and decorate your home with these cute little fans.